Good morning, students. In last class, we are studying chapter 23, irrigation and drinking water. In this chapter, we study Indira Gandhi Canal. Now we discuss about the Chambal project. The Chambal project is the joint project of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Both of states have the participation of 50% each. Chambal project was started in 1952 to 54. The primary objective of this project was to end the destructive activity of the river Chambal and the river Chambal and to provide irrigation facilities to 50 lakh hectare of land and to generate 230 megawatt electricity. 4 dams has been built under this project. First is the Gandhi Sagar Dam. This dam was built in 1960 at the Burhanpur Tehsil of Madhya Pradesh. It has built in a valley 8 kilometers ahead to the Chaurasigarh. Two canals are constructed. Left canal, after the reaching Bundi, it fall into the river Mez. The right canal, after crossing the river Parvati, it goes to the Madhya Pradesh. There is also a hydropower station there. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. This dam has been built 48 km ahead of the Gandhi Sagar in Chittorgarh at the place called the Rawat Bhata near the Chulia waterfall. It's near the Chulia waterfall. In year the 1970. Now the third dam is the Jawahar Sagar Dam. It has been built 38 km ahead of the Rawat Bhata at the Boravas village near the Kota. A hydropower station has been built here, Kota Barrage. It has been built near the Kota, having been built with the sole purpose of the irrigation. This dam is called the barrage. Two canals have taken off from it. The right canal has gone to the Madhya Pradesh after having crossed the river Parvati and the Parvan, whereas the left canal irrigates the supplying water to the district of Kota and Bundi in Rajasthan. Due to the Chambal project, Kota has become a major industrial center. In addition to flood control, irrigation facilities have been provided to 5.6 lakh hectare. Cultivated land agriculture has developed at the rapid phase in area. Tourism has also promoted in Chambal area also. The third major power project is the Mahi Bajaj Sagar project. It is the joint project of the Rajasthan and Gujarat for the development of the tribal dominant district of Banswara and Dungarpur of the southern Rajasthan according to the agreement 1996. Rajasthan have shared the 45% of the Gujarat and shared the 55% under the project. The Mahi Bajaj Sagar Dam has been built to Borkhera village in Banswara. Beside this, the two canal, two powerhouse, two small powerhouse and the Kagri pickup dam has been also built there. The work on this project was completed in 3 phases. In the first phase, Mahi Bajaj Sagar Dam was built on the river Mahi at the Borkhera village near the Banswara. The water storage area of this dam was 6,240 square kilometer. Storage capacity of it, the dam is the 72.07 TMC. Second stage, two canals namely the Anandpuri and Sagwara have been built on the facilities to irrigation in Dungarpur. The total length of these distributaries is 854 km. By this project, the ability of the irrigation facilities has been provided in area 1.23 lakh hectare. The third stage 2 power station has been built in the state by with the 140.95 megawatt megawatt electricity is being generated. The economic and the social life of this tribal dominant area along with the agriculture and the industrial area undergone a change due to the facility of irrigation and electricity. This project has provided to be born for the tribal dominant area. Suggestions for the development of irrigation in Rajasthan. Maximum conservation of the available water is essential. Groundwater should be used cautiously. The intensive planning regarding water on the river basin should be done. Modern technology methods should be used to reduce the water loss due to the evaporation and leakage of water. Water should be saved by the adopting drip irrigation technique. Water should be saved by the adopting drip irrigation technique. Both groundwater and the surface water should be used. Water route and the dam or field should be lined on purity basis. Due to the attention should be given on the running project so that they may be give fruitful result. New plants should be adopted on the selected basin. Supreme project should be given on the maintenance of this project. Now we discuss about the drinking water. Rajasthan has inherited in the limited and the minimum water source due to the geographical location and climate condition. The drinking water supply is gigantic task in the state. The condition of drought and the famine make it more difficult. The inadequacy of rain during the monsoon and the climate diversity of the state has made Rajasthan the most dry state of India. The available water source in the state is only 1% of the total source of India. Quality of drinking water is low. The standard due to the presence of excess salt in the groundwater at many places. The presence of fluoride and the salinity in groundwater is a major problem in Rajasthan. Due to the water crisis, many times dispute and the community struggle crop up of the use of the common water sources. The struggle of water is increasing due to the unhealthy method of the agriculture production and the overuse of the effective traditional rainwater harvesting system. Poor in the term of water of the state of Rajasthan now need restoration and the upgradation of the traditional and the ancient water conservation technique. Looking at the water crisis, there is a dry need of the using ancient water conservation technique. The Center of the Science and the Environment and the Third Social Development Society are involved in the traditional water conservation technique of Rajasthan. Attempt to being made to the implement the old method of using the impact of the traditional and modern science. The supply of drinking water is the important public welfare program of the state. Earlier in Rajasthan, the female had to walk many kilometers with a pot on her head to fetch drinking water, but nowadays, due to the several public welfare schemes on the government, Rajasthan has become the leading state in terms of the providing safe drinking water for their population. Agreements are being made on the rescue the supply of the drinking water due to the change in the quality of groundwater, reducing in the flow of groundwater and the falling water level, urbanization and the growing population under this plan. The Janta Jal Yojana is a drinking water scheme of the Public Health Engineering Department is the prepared by the department and then is the handed over the voluntary organizations and Gram Panchayat for the implementation presently excluding Bikaner and the Jaisalmer district of Rajasthan. 6,514 Janta Jal Yojana are being run in the remaining 31 districts. Very soon, a Jal Gram will be made in the all districts of the country. The drinking water supply will be ensured by the related department in the villages. Selected on this purpose, the people will be made aware regarding water conservation for the supply of drinking water in the rural area. Subsidy is given in the National Rural Water Mission by the central government. Hand pumps are being repaired to provide safe drinking water to the rural people with the cooperation of the Gram government. Apni Yojana has been started from the Gandhiji Seva lift canal to supply the safe drinking water to the village of the Hanumangarh, Churu and the Jhunjhunu. It is the result of the effort done by the Public Health Engineering Department of Rajasthan. This department connects the village for drinking water facilities to the regional water supply scheme, hand pump, Panghat Yojana and the tank scheme and the Digi scheme also.